Title: Master Active Recall, the ultimate study hack for effortless learning. Introduction. Hey there, knowledge seekers. Welcome back to Mindful Mentors 12. Today, we're diving into a game-changing study technique that will supercharge your learning: active recall. If you thought the Feynman technique was powerful, wait until you see what active recall can do for your brain. What is active recall? Active recall is the process of actively retrieving information from your memory, rather than passively reviewing it. Imagine your brain as a muscle. Active recall is like doing mental push-ups, strengthening your ability to remember and understand complex ideas. Here's why it works. It mimics real-world application of knowledge. It identifies gaps in your understanding. It strengthens neural pathways, making recall easier over time. How to use active recall? Let's break down how to implement active recall in your studies. Study the material. Read through your notes or textbook as you normally would. Close the book. Put away all your study materials. Quiz yourself. Ask questions about what you've just learned. Try to recall as much as possible without looking at your notes. Check your answers. Verify your responses against your study materials. Focus on weak areas. Pay extra attention to the information you struggled to recall. Repeat. Cycle through this process regularly, especially for challenging topics. There are several ways to practice active recall: classic, portable, and effective. Simulate exam conditions to boost performance. Explaining concepts reinforces your own understanding. Create visual representations from memory. Write brief summaries without referencing materials. By incorporating active recall into your study routine, you'll experience improved long-term retention, enhanced understanding of complex topics, increased confidence in your knowledge, more efficient study sessions, better performance on exams and in real-world applications for maximum impact. Try combining active recall with other methods we've discussed, like the Feynman technique. Use active recall to identify areas where you're struggling, then apply the Feynman technique to break down and simplify those concepts. Active recall is your secret weapon for mastering any subject. Start implementing this powerful technique today, and watch your learning efficiency skyrocket. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more game-changing study hacks. Until next time, keep flexing those mental muscles. This script follows a similar structure to the Feynman technique video, maintaining consistency in your educational content. It provides clear, actionable steps for implementing active recall, explains its benefits, and encourages engagement with your channel.